Hi viewers, welcome back. Today again I come up with another very informative video. In today's video I am going to use one trick, and this trick you can use in your work, especially when you are assembling the starter motor. You people know very well it is very difficult without help of any other guy. You can't fix the carbon brushes into the router. Practically show you how I use this trick and fix the carbon brushes on the router of the starter motor. I recommended you people also use that trick, and you can easily without an other guy's help alone can fix the carbon brushes on your router. Let's start to watch that video in which I used this trick and I fixed my carbon brushes. You have to take a small wire and bend it, and in this way you people first hold the spring, okay, which hold the carbon brushes. So here you can see in this way you can hold these springs, okay, hold these spring like this. So in this way, so this one is a second spring. So in this way all four springs you can lock, okay, like this. Lock all spring, all four spring. Okay, this is the second one. I cut the wire here. So in this way you can easily hold the spring. Okay, so this one is the second one, and similarly all four spring you have to hold like this, okay, like this. You have fixed all the springs, and after it you fix your carbon brushes on their places like this, okay. You have to fix this carbon brush. You can see easily carbon brush go easily inside, okay. So fix all the brushes inside this holder. And after it you can see the carbon brushes are easily sit inside, and this fix inside, and these carbon brushes we can fix easily without help of any other one. We can fix it here. So you see we easily fix the carbon brushes on the router. So now in this way we easily remove all the pins one by one. Remove all the pins, okay. So after removing these pins, so you can see easily we can fix our carbon brushes on our starter motor, okay, like this. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friend. Take yourself and your these channels.